Managing all signatures from a single dashboard can be a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their document signing process. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it efficiently without jumping between different platforms. Stick around until the end, because I'll also be giving you access to an exclusive free trial of the software I'll be using just for viewers of this channel. So why manage all signatures from a single dashboard? Think about it. You're handling documents all day, and whether it's for business or personal use, managing multiple signatures on multiple platforms can be overwhelming. But with the right software, you can bring everything under one roof, saving time, reducing errors, and getting a cleaner workflow. First, let's dive into how the software simplifies the process. Once you're logged in, you'll see a central dashboard where all the signatures you've created or are waiting on appear. This dashboard is your command center. You can view, track, and manage signatures all in one place, which means no more hunting through multiple inboxes or different platforms. Now, to get started, you'll need to upload your documents. This software allows you to easily drag and drop files or connect your cloud storage to pull them right into your dashboard. Whether it's a PDF, Word file, or even an image, this software can handle it. Next, you'll add the signers. This is where the magic happens. Rather than sending the document to each person individually, you can add all the signers in one go. You can assign specific fields for them to sign, date, or fill in other information, making the process super efficient. Once your document is ready, you can send it for signing. The software gives you real-time tracking updates, so you can see when each person has signed. You'll also get notifications, so you're always in the loop. No more guessing if someone has completed their part. And here's something else you'll love. If you need to make adjustments or request additional signatures, you can do that easily from the same dashboard. This is particularly useful if the person signing needs to make changes or if you've missed a field. You don't have to start from scratch. Just go back into the document, make the change, and send it out again. Quick and easy. Now, let's talk security. All the documents managed through this software are encrypted, so you don't have to worry about sensitive information being exposed. Plus, you get audit trails for each document, so you'll always have a record of who signed and when. Before I wrap up, a quick reminder. I've partnered with this software to offer you an exclusive free trial that you won't find anywhere else. If you want to follow along and experience this all firsthand, check the link in the description below for the free trial. It's only available to viewers of this channel. Key takeaway. Managing all signatures from a single dashboard is the most efficient way to handle documents in today's fast-paced world. By consolidating everything into one easy-to-use platform, you'll save time, reduce errors, and improve the overall efficiency of your document signing process. So, to recap, upload your documents, add your signers, send for signing, and track everything from a central dashboard. With the exclusive free trial linked below, you can start managing all your signatures from a single dashboard today. Remember, take advantage of the free trial and streamline your document process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.